The main part of the convention center where we did the renovation with the ETC lighting system was built in 1986, but these properties have been run by the city for 100 years.
The existing lighting fixture was back in the 80s. It was practical to have a sodium lights.
It almost felt like more you're like in a warehouse, an old warehouse or an old, like a big box store or something like that. We wanted to have a 4K color temperature. We do Arlo shows, we do sporting events, and we wanted to have a more outside, bluer, friendlier light and less theatrical instruments, which was pretty much what was being offered at the time. So when ETC partnered with us and said, okay, well, we'll look at making you a 4K chip for the ARC system, then I knew that was a great opportunity and a great partnership.
We've been experiencing a lot of our clients are using the exhibit halls in a multi-purpose way. Some sections of the exhibit hall is used as a keynote or general session, and then the rest of the exhibit hall is used as a trade show floor. And there's two different elements. One of them is have to be completely dark, with theatrical lighting. The other side is have to be a little bit more brighter, and have exhibit booths. What's the key advantage for our clients for selling point of view? It's super simple answer. It's a multi-use lighting system.
Another part of our partnership with ETC, we started looking at the ARC system, was the voltage. The voltage control, most of the voltage in these buildings is 277 volts. That's fairly industrial for this type of an application. And when ETC could do the distribution with the system the way we have it, we knew again that it would work out to use the voltage that we have in-house.
The ARC system fixtures were actually really user-friendly when it comes to installation. We were able to get relock whips on them, so they went up real quick and plugged together, and we were knocking out 4 or 5 rows of fixtures a day because they were so user-friendly when it comes to the installation. As sophisticated as this system is, it was really one of the easiest and most pleasurable systems I've ever had to install.
Has the project exceeded my expectations? Wow. It's great.
I would say that this system that we installed with the ETC and the Paradigm and the Sensor IQs is ahead of its day in technology. Other manufacturer systems that I've put in just seem so, at this point, dinosaurish compared to this type of a system.
I've talked to colleagues in other convention centers that do what I do, and there's a lot of envy out there.
They may want to get into something that it's new, something's going to be last for a long time. So 30 years from now, whoever's going to be here operating the building, it's going to be able to still utilize the same system, and they can understand that this is a system that we put in for a long term. How do I feel we positioned for the future with this technology? I think we're in the driver's seat.
We're in Silicon Valley. We're in the epicenter of innovation. So we should take advantage of the most advanced technology on the planet, and we felt we did that by partnering with ETC.